Now let's begin with the warm-up. Come on all fours. Keep your knees and your feet hip-width apart. Wrist and shoulders in one line. Take your right palm, place it behind the head. Toes are tucked in. Inhale, open the chest, lift the elbows up. Exhale, elbow to point down. You're not going down, your elbow is just pointing down. Keep your left arm straight. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3 more rounds. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. One last round. Inhale. Exhale. Place the right palm down on the left. Place the left palm behind the head. Inhale. Open the chest. Elbows to point the roof. Exhale. Elbows to point the mat. Inhale. Open the chest. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. One last round. Inhale. Exhale. Place the palms down. Now keep your knees slightly wider than the hip, but make sure your knee and your hip is in one line. Stretch the arms away from you. Your wrist and your shoulders are at an angle. We do dynamic puppy pose here. 5 rounds. The 5th time we will hold. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the chest closer to the mat, but don't touch. Inhale. Lift the chest up. Exhale, down. Inhale. It's just the movement of the chest. Exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. One last round. Inhale. Stretch your arms further and bring the chest closer to the floor. Hold it here, stretching the back muscles for 2 and 1. Slowly walk your palms back. Bring the knees closer. Lift the knees up, coming to downward facing dog. Keep your feet hip-width apart in down dog. Fingers are separated and press the palms into the mat. We'll do hip circles in down dog. Bring your right thigh to the chest and rotate the hip joint. The knees are bent. Make big circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same leg, reverse the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Do it on the left. Bring the left thigh to your chest. Make circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold down dog. Stretch the spine in down dog. For 3, 2, 1. Look in between your palms. Step your right foot forward. Left foot forward. Palms on your waist. Come all the way up. We'll do one more warm-up. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Arms from the sides. Inhale. Stretch the arms from the sides all the way up. Look up. Exhale. Bend from your hips. Fold forward. Just warming up your entire body. Inhale. Arms from the sides. Don't bend back. Exhale. Fold forward. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Stretch your arms up. Exhale. Forward fold. Inhale. Exhale. One last round. Inhale. exhale. Palms on your waist, come all the way up. Now we'll do 5 rounds of Ashtanga A. The variation we will add today will be, you will bring your palms at your heart center. Just have a look. As you inhale, arms from the sides, you will bring your right knee to your chest, palms together. Exhale, the foot goes down and you will fold forward. The rest remains the same. So we will do totally 5 to 6 rounds of Ashtanga A. Come to the front or edge of your mat, feet together, palms at your heart center. Inhale, arms from the sides, right knee to your chest, palms in Namaskara. Exhale, leg down, Uttanasana, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, Ardha Utthana, flat back. Hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga or knee down or knees, chest and chin. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, upward facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Your feet is hip width apart in down dog. 3 breaths. End of 3, look in between, jump or step, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, bring your left knee to your chest, toes pointing down. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga, or you know the variation. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths. End of 3, look in between, jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, right knee to your chest, point the toes down. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana, jump or step back, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Look in between, jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, left knee to the chest, point the toes down. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. 3 breaths. Look in between, jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Last 2 rounds. Inhale, lift your right knee up, point the toes down, hold it here, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Complete your exhalation, jump or step, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, bring your left knee to your chest, toes pointing down, hold. 5, but breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold down dog. Look in between, jump or step, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen your spine. Exhale, arms beside your body, Samasthiti. Separate your feet and your arms, close your eyes. Stay still. Feel the body from movement to stillness. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Blink open your eyes.